In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Wix partner. Becoming a Wix partner is a fantastic opportunity for web developers, designers, and digital marketing experts alike. It allows you to leverage the powerful tools and resources provided by Wix to expand your service offerings and grow your business. So, let's dive into the steps required to join this prestigious program. First, you'll want to visit the Wix Studio Partner Program page. Simply navigate to your web browser and head over to the official Wix site, where you'll find everything you need in one convenient location. Look for the option labeled Partner Program to get started. This section of the Wix website is dedicated to showcasing the various benefits and requirements of the program, providing a comprehensive overview for prospective partners. Once you're on the right page, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Apply Now button. This is an exciting step since it marks the beginning of your journey with the Wix Partner Program. By clicking this button, you're signaling your interest in leveraging the suite of tools Wix offers to enhance your business capabilities and service offerings. The application process is designed to understand more about your business and how partnering with Wix can be mutually beneficial. As you proceed with your application, you might be prompted to provide some additional information about your business or professional background. This could include details about your team size, the types of services you offer, and any relevant experience in web development or digital marketing. Make sure to provide accurate and comprehensive information, as this will help Wix tailor their support to your needs and set you on the right path to becoming a partner. Throughout this process, it's important to remember that the Wix Partner Program is not just about gaining access to tools and resources. It's about joining a community of like-minded professionals who are passionate about web design and development. As a partner, you'll have the opportunity to connect, collaborate, and share insights with other experts from around the world. To sum it all up, becoming a Wix partner involves heading to the Wix Partner Program page, applying to join the program, and sharing relevant business details to help Wix provide the best support. This partnership is a gateway to accessing a range of professional tools and a global network that can significantly aid in the growth and success of your business. Embrace this opportunity to enhance your offerings and become part of the vibrant Wix community. Remember, each step you take brings you closer to utilizing powerful tools and resources that can elevate your professional services to the next level. Good luck, and I hope to see you thriving in the Wix partner community soon.